call athleisure makeup. It's the makeup I wear with my athleisure clothes on the weekend. Because, you know, sometimes you want to wear athletic clothes so that you have the flexibility of going for a long sweaty walk, but you also want to look put together, and that's the feeling that I have off. It's not like I'm gonna go, you know, to Pilates or anything. This is just the athleisure wear makeup that I enjoy. First things first, I've got to take care of my hair because it needs to be up and out of my face today. It's not a wash day. My scalp is like a little too dry for that. But I want it to be up and out of my face, but I'm also not gonna do like a tight bun because I really don't think that's good for your hair. Like, I've been on a hair growth journey. Like, I can show you what my hair used to look like, and I've been working on growing it longer, stronger, healthier, and the whole tight bun thing, it's just not great for me personally. Not even the Olaplex bun. I won't be doing anything like that. That would irritate the crap out of my scalp. So I'm just gonna be putting my hair up and keeping my bangs down. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of this Kerastase Elixir Ultime Whale Original Oil. I'm gonna use about a pump of that, and I'm gonna focus it on the ends of my hair because it's getting cold where I am, and I need the ends of my hair to stay healthy, and oil is the best way to keep the ends healthy. And that's it. It's a messy bun. And then for my bangs, I'm just gonna push them down. I styled them yesterday with a round brush, and they're getting long, but tomorrow I'm going to get them trimmed because I don't like when I feel the need to split them like this, because then I feel like I look odd. But I'm gonna put just a little bit of dry shampoo right here and brush that through. That way they don't get too gross throughout the day. It's a athleisure hair, you know? We can go for a walk with this hair. Before I touch my face, I am gonna wash the oil off my hands because that oil has a little bit of silicone in it, and I don't want that to go all over my face, and definitely has perfume. Next thing we're gonna do is put on some moisturizer slash SPF. I'm using the Image Skincare Prevention Plus SPF 30 Daily Matte Moisturizer. This is not matte. I don't know, I feel like I've said this before on my channel because this is one of my favorite sunscreens. It's very fluid, but it's also really glowy. I have oily skin, and it doesn't really affect like the oiliness of my skin, but it's definitely not mattifying. Like, you can already tell. And I can even see, like, in there, it has a bit of a purple cast. Okay, so once you've got your sunscreen on, I'm gonna go with like a BB cream or a light glowy base for athleisure makeup. I've been really liking the Missha Perfect Cover BB cream. This also has an additional SPF in it, but I'm not gonna rely on that for my SPF, obviously, since I just put other sunscreen on. I've also been enjoying the Glossier Stretch Foundation. I actually think this one is so good that I don't even realize how like good it is. It's like one of those things that just kind of slips into your routine, that it's just really nice. Anytime that I have like a night out or something, I'll build this up to like a medium coverage, and I just know it's gonna make my skin look incredible all night long. But I think I'm gonna opt for the BB cream today. I'm going to mix it with the Saie Glowy Supergel. This is really nice for the winter. I find that if I put it directly on my face, it looks a little bit ruddy, but because the Missha BB cream is a little bit light for me, it mixes pretty nicely, half and half. And I really like the Saie Glowy Supergel because it really is not super emollient for a highlighting product. And so if you have skin that leans oily, it's really good for that because it's not going to clog your pores. Well, for me, it hasn't clogged my pores yet. I'm also gonna take this NYX Professional Makeup Brush, and put a little bit on there, and then just start blending it in. And the reason I have kept my bangs down, which I know some people are gonna be like, get your hair out of your face, is because I really don't want to wear a lot of makeup under my bangs, so I'm using them to just avoid the part of my face where I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I really would like to avoid getting a lot of makeup on my hoodie, but I will just bleach it. I will just bleach it, you know? If that happens, because it's kind of inevitable. Okay, now that the base is on, and it's been on for a little while because I went and chatted with a friend for a bit, the next part of this athleisure makeup is making your face look less like an egg. So I'm gonna use this little mini Westman Atelier Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit, and it looks like this. And if you can't afford that or don't want to get the little mini size and you want something that's gonna last you longer, the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines is a very similar color. However, I'm not gonna pretend like this one is anywhere near as blendable or creamy or user-friendly. This one, if you're gonna use it, I would suggest digging some out, putting it on the back of your hand, and like melting it with your finger first, because I do find this is really hard to use. It's a very matte texture. So I'm just gonna put that, I'm gonna do this, and then along the sides of the nose. And then I like to do right here and right here on my little jowls. And this blends out so nicely. I like to use this MOTD blush and highlight brush, because you really don't need to work hard to blend this out, and it's very subtle. If you're gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, I would actually suggest blending it in with a finger instead of a brush, because I think the brush just like picks it up and takes it away. And I'm using pretty light pressure. I think I'm gonna leave my dark circling. For blush, I have a couple of options, but because athleisure makeup, I don't know, for me, it's like fresh glowy skin. I'm not gonna use any powder. I'm gonna use like a cream blush. This one from Saie in Chili. I just made a video about this on my TikTok because I really love the color, the finish. I think it's really good for fall, for winter, yeah, for cold weather. This one's also really good. This is the Violet FR blush in Aisa. Really pretty color on this as well. Here, I'll just do a little, it's like a nice berry tone. Love it. It's a little bit more like moussey in texture, but it blends in super nicely to the cheeks. And then my last suggestion, and I always suggest these, this is the Phytosurgeon Skin Spark in the shade Simmer. I have the shades Simmer and Swelter, and I use them all the time. They're beautiful, beautiful blushes. So this is Simmer, and then this is the Violet FR one. I do think that today I'm gonna use the Saie Dewy Blush in Chili, because I think it has somewhat of a built-in highlight, although I'm still gonna use a highlighter. But for these two blushes, if I was gonna be doing these, I'd probably mix it with a little bit of this Westman Atelier highlighter stick in the shade Nectar on the back of my hand before applying it. That way there's like a lot of luminosity. I'm gonna use the Saie Dewy blush, and I really like, it has this like big doe foot applicator, and I just do this. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. small stipple brush to blend that in, because I think it just looks really good this way. It's super easy to blend too. This is gonna be like one of those easy sort of 5-minute makeup tutorials, I think, because it's really not gonna take you very long. I'm gonna do a little bit of the Westman Atelier highlighter stick first. This is the shade Nectar. It's a really small highlighter stick, but really you don't need much. Like swiping my finger over it like that will be kind of enough to just like pop it on the top of the cheek there. Just for a little sheer like glow. Put it there too. And then right here. And then a little bit of fake freckles. And I'm gonna use the Revlon Brow Ink. I do have a video comparing all the fake freckles I've tried, or at least most of the ones I've tried. I don't think that the freckle pen is in there, but I think this is better than that anyway, because you don't get like the red tone. However, if you prefer like the red tones, that might be a good one for you. I really enjoyed the comments on that freckle video too, just wanted to say, because I feel like it's really good to hear everybody's feedback and like what worked for them. I'm gonna keep you all zoomed in because the next part of this look is just the very thinnest eyeliner you possibly can think of. I got this eyeliner from TJ Maxx and it's the All My Things Kiss Your Eyes eyeliner. And I do think this one's called Natural Black, and it's more of a brown in my opinion. This is from the True Beauty collection. Let me see if I can like insert a video of the packaging for this. I don't know if you guys read webtoons, but I do, and I used to read True Beauty, so part of the reason I bought this is because I wanted one of those products as like a little commemorative thing, but this is really, really good eyeliner. So I just start here, and you can get a really thin line going outward, and just like the slightest wing that's mostly going to be covered up by mascara in a little bit. It's like a millennial wing. I don't know if that's still something that's going around, but there used to be like a meme where like millennial winged eyeliner versus Gen Z winged eyeliner. And since I'm a millennial, I suppose I prefer the millennial wing, so the ultra tiny one, like that. And now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. I got this in an Ipsy box, and it's pretty good. It's not a volumizing mascara in my opinion. It's just like a standard lengthening mascara. The star of the lips is actually going to be this Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask, which was recommended to me by my friend Amelia, and I'll like put her Instagram here. Her Instagram is Amelia Make Up My Mind, and I'm so glad that I bought this. It smells so good, like refreshing. I don't really know what it smells like sweet but sophisticated. I don't know. It has a nice smell, and it's like for something that's gonna like smell under your lips, it smells really nice. But first I'm gonna put on a little bit of lip liner. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Pinky Brown, and I also got this in an Ipsy box. I'm not gonna be too precise with the lip liner. It's probably gonna disappear anyway. The only thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna draw this line in the middle so that my lips look like a little bit more pouty, but that's all. And then I'm gonna put on the Forget the Filler lip balm, and I'm gonna use my finger, so make sure you have clean fingers. I like this for the daytime, even though it says it's an overnight lip plumper, because it just like makes your lips look fuller, but it also has a little bit of a gloss to it, so it looks like you're wearing lip gloss. I'm not really sure if this makeup is gonna look really good on camera, like when I go back and edit this, or if it looks like too much or too little in some places, but I can tell you that I've been wearing this makeup for a while now because I've been really enjoying it, and every single time I pass by like a reflection or something and I catch my reflection, I think, oh, you know what, my skin looks really good today, I feel really confident today, I feel like I look pretty. And so, you know, I think that's like the goal with makeup anyway, is to make you feel confident and look pretty. And you know, if this is just, in your opinion, a repackaged version of anybody's everyday makeup, you're probably right. But I'm curious, what do you like to do with your makeup when you're wearing athleisure clothes, or, you know, if it's a lazy weekend or something. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and listening to me babble. Have a great day. Bye. And so if you want to put the outfit all together, you got leggings, hoodie, and then you need this like long overcoat. And by need, I mean, if you have one, you can put it on. And then you've got athleisure with the cute athleisure makeup. You can disagree with me, but it's my new favorite outfit. Ta-da! And of course you need some blue Crocs.